Hey Zap fam, Nigeria is buzzing with energy. But when it comes to EVs, some folks are still stuck in the Stone Age with their excuses. Today, we're dragging those excuses into 2024, busting myths and flipping the script. Ready? Let's roll, silently, like an EV. EVs are too expensive. But are they really? Oh, EVs are too expensive? Let's do the math, sweetie. Chinese EVs are out here serving luxury and tech for less than your average petrol SUV. Add zero VAT, zero fuel costs, and the fact that you'll never have to sell a kidney to fill your tank again. EVs are basically the financial glow-up you've been waiting for. 2. No charging stations in Nigeria. Think again. Bruh, this isn't 2020. The most important charging station is your home. Wake up to a full tank every morning or leave work with one. No queues, no stress. And for the 10% of the time you're out and about, charging stations are popping up faster than your ex's new relationship. Keep up. 3. EVs can't handle Nigerian roads. Oh, really? Modern EVs are built tougher than that village bushmeat in Nana's pepper soup. Strong suspension, high ground clearance, and no engines to flood. They handle Niger roads like a boss. Meanwhile, your petrol car is out here overheating in traffic like it's auditioning for a Nollywood drama. 4. What if the battery dies? Relax, it won't. 500 kilometers on a single charge, hun. How far are you driving daily? Lagos to Timbuktu? Plus, regenerative braking means you're charging while driving. And if you're still paranoid, some EVs come with a petrol generator extender. So, unless you're planning a cross-continental road trip, your battery will outlast your patience in Lagos traffic. 5. Chinese EVs are bad quality. Says who? Wait, let me get this straight. You're wearing Chinese clothes, holding a Chinese phone, scrolling on Chinese-made apps, but suddenly Chinese EVs are where you draw the line. Make it make sense. The world is switching to EVs, and Nigeria isn't staying behind. So, are you leading the charge or stuck in the past like a forgotten Nokia 3310? So, what's your excuse now? EVs are affordable, efficient, and ready for Nigeria. Stop holding onto that petrol car like it's your ex's hoodie. The future is electric, and it's already here. Don't get left behind unless you enjoy being basic.